How long was it in there?
Josh set it for 10 minutes.
It hasn't even gone like 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Oh, that's
max.
the CD.
These work. They're scary. Oh, they're melting! They're like, this next one is melting. It's melting. We're gonna turn this off soon.
No, we're not.
Yeah, we are.
Why?
We're not supposed to leave things in for more than like 20 seconds.
No, it's leaving until they explode.
We're not making it explode. We're making it explode. The CDs aren't supposed to explode. Explode. Yay, I got that part. It's like an ant. It's like... As soon as the time's over, it'll be melted. It should melt by the time the time's up. I think it stopped sparking. Oh yeah, now it's gotta melt. Oh my god, it is sparking. How long do you... Oh, you can put it in for like 30 seconds. Whoa. That was good. Sparking more than usual. Yeah. Maybe it's hotter in there. Oh, here are the others too.
And hopefully it'll... I want to see what happened. That was sweet.
I know, I want to see it. I can see it on the screen. On my camera.
They're all out front.
Do they have the Mentos and Coke?
No, they're back. We're gonna blow up an egg again.
It wasn't strong enough to blow out the door.
No. There might have been a smaller microwave. Yeah, this one's kind of big.
Yeah.
Bigger than my grandpa. It's like one.
I got it. We made
Whoa,
this with
where did you get the blue string thing? Oh.
That's you.
Pop, you bloody egg. These don't have toxic things actually work.
Yeah, we're just gonna be like standing here talking.
I'm just gonna be like,
whee!
3, 2, 1. I made a video doing nothing. You have fun editing.
What?
You have fun editing.
What do you mean? What am I gonna do?
Pop, 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 pop. Pop, 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 pop.
Oh, I can't leak. It has to like stay. I think that's a piece from last time.
Pop, 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 pop. I missed it.
Yeah. Yeah, where are you aiming this? No, Tyler, hurry up, throw it.
Pop the lid off. Pull the lid off. I got it. Just do it again. Don't point it in your face.
Don't point it at us either. Tyler, move. Oh, come on. That's all it does. Tyler!